Hi again, I'm Alyssa from My Life's a Travel Movie, and this is part 2 of my mini manifestation course. Again, I am not a magician. Manifesting is not magic. I'm not a shaman, anything like this, but I have a lot of experience with manifesting, and I do tend to get what I want. But I also work really hard for it. So this is part 2. After you're done getting all of your negative energy and trauma and crap out of your body and soul, you're gonna come back and we're gonna do the actual manifestation. So this is great if you're wanting to set goals for the year or like your life, or if you feel like things just aren't going your way, maybe just try this. It's really just to give you some focus, but I mean, it has been pretty accurate for me, so maybe it will be for you. So we are going to start. You're completely cleared of all your negative thoughts and energies. One thing you have to always remember is that you are in charge of your fate, your destiny, everything. The universe is there for you, and if you put out into it what you want and what you're trying to do and you have positivity, I strongly believe it will give you what you desire. So just keep that mindset. Get any negative thoughts out of your head again, and if you fail at any of these, or if it doesn't happen right away, don't worry, because everyone has a timeline. So for example, when I first started manifesting that I wanted to travel for a living, I was not also manifesting meeting my husband and moving to a vineyard in Italy, or buying my own apartment in Mexico. No, I was manifesting traveling the world, and it didn't all happen at once. It happened when it was supposed to. So just keep that in mind and don't give up. All right, let's get another piece of paper. Da-da-da. You can also download the template that I made if you want and print it out. This one you're not gonna throw away, so, keep it, don't tear it up. The first thing I want you guys to do though right now is close your eyes if you want, or pause this video after you listen to this part and think of the top 3 things that would make you unbelievably happy. Just like totally content, not needing anything, not every day like, oh, I wish I had this, oh, if I did this is better, da, 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 da. Just envision it, okay? And now envision yourself having those 3 things. So what are you wearing? Who are you with? Where are you? Are you flying business class with your adorable Pomeranian and your laptop blogging away because you just got sent to Japan for a paid campaign to promote tourism there? Maybe. Think about it. Who are you with? Oh, are you solo because your husband's waiting for you at your vineyard in Italy, where you live half the year, and the other half of the year at this beautiful apartment that you bought by yourself in Mexico? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so something like that, for example. That was me, by the way. So envision yourself, and then write down the top 3 things, the goals that would make you completely happy. Let's say for this year. You can do lifetime, you can do this month. Let's just say for this year. So goal 1, goal 2, and goal 3, okay? Spread it out through the whole paper. And now we gotta go back to the negativity that's probably swirling around your head. Under each goal, write 3 things that are blocking you from getting to your goal. So maybe it's the excuse, oh, I don't have enough money, I can't travel. Oh, there's not enough people in my town to date, or all the people here suck. I have a job that I can't leave because it's financially secure and I get good benefits, etc., etc. I can't leave home because I have to take care of a parent. I can't leave because my passport isn't strong enough, etc. Okay? Write those down, write 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. 3 blockers. Now, take a minute and underneath each blocker, write 3 solutions to overcome that blocker. Okay? Is it you don't have enough money to travel? Write down 3 ways that you can either get more money to travel or travel more affordably. Here's an idea. Read my blog. I have lots of tips how to do all of that. Just kidding, but not really. Is it, again, find love, blocker. There's no one in my town to date. Is that true? Or are you just looking in the wrong places? Or do you need to change your standards or your type of person you usually go for? I personally changed the type of person that I normally go for. I set very clear intentions on the next person I wanted to meet and find. It was completely different than anyone I've dated, and I found him. And now we're married. Okay? So write down some solutions under each one. Once you've done that, I want you to look through it all, read all the solutions again, and then I want you to scribble out the blockers. Okay? Now you only have a list of goals and solutions. Remember, no negative thoughts. So here is your manifestation guide for the rest of the year. Now I want you to make a calendar for each one of these. Make a weekly calendar, daily calendar, monthly calendar, yearly calendar to make small milestones for how you will achieve each of these things. Make it so that you do not forget each of these solutions and each of these goals. Force your mind to only think about these in a positive way, okay? No more negativity, no more, oh, I tried and I failed. No, remember, the universe doesn't have the exact timeline for everyone. Yours is different than everyone else's. If you keep focusing on what you want and keep working hard but little by little for each of these, eventually it will happen. And then you'll be like, oh my gosh, I manifested. And you'll continue doing it. So that is my mini manifestation course. I hope it makes a little bit of sense or it helps you a little bit. Again, please subscribe to my channel. I'll hopefully be making more videos like these along with all of my travel content. That's my normal job. But if this helps you, also please leave me a comment and like this video and maybe share it. Thank you and happy manifesting.